Hello guys! Today I want to introduce you to my newest love, this DYU T1 electric bike. This is the first electric bike that I've been testing out, and I've been very impressed with the way it performs and handles not just the paved roads, but also dirt roads, making it the most perfect e-bike to take with me to explore different parts of the country, both in the city and the remote areas. This can be done either with no physical effort from my side at all, as I can simply turn on the battery, push the throttle down, and the bike will effortlessly drive for me. To be honest, the first time I tried this e-bike, it really felt like I was riding a mini electric scooter. Or if you are more conscious of your health and fitness levels and you want to get some exercise done during your expedition, you can take the advantage of two of its other modes. Either cycling without the battery turned on, just like you would with a regular bicycle, or my personal favorite mode, the pedal assist mode, where I can pedal while being supported with power from the battery, which allows me to cycle way faster and easier through different terrains, or depending on the length of my journey, I can of course do parts of it in different modes. The speed that I can get out of the battery on this bike is 25 km per hour. DYU set maximal speed according to the local laws and regulations. In Europe, unregistered, which are standard e-bikes, are not allowed to provide any motor assistance beyond 25 km per hour. This honestly feels very fast to someone who is used to cycling on a regular bicycle, and I'm definitely very satisfied with this speed. But it may not feel as fast to those used to riding scooters or motorbikes instead. The range of someone my weight using the battery would be about 50 to 55 kilometers. I am very happy that this e-bike has been making a new addition to my fleet, as it has not only been making my life so much more fun recently, but also allows me to explore more places that I wouldn't otherwise be able to explore so easily. What makes this bike especially practical for traveling is the fact that it's foldable. You can easily fold it to make it small enough to put in your car booth and travel with it anywhere you want. The folding is easy once you get a hang of it. You can fold basically every important part of this bike, including pedals, making it incredibly compact and travel-friendly for a bike of this size. Here is me showing you how to fold the pedals, as I was unsure of how to do it the first time I tried it. Turns out it's super easy and very convenient. It is also more convenient to be stored at home, as it doesn't take much space once folded. Now let's talk about some specs, its usability and its pros and cons. DYU T1 model adopts a more lightweight magnesium alloy material and has no welding spots on the whole body. It is equipped with a torque sensor, which has an excellent performance and power saving. It has front and rear mechanic disc brakes for extra safety and control, and anti-slip handles, which are great for rainy days. The seat is adjustable, very quick and easy to adjust. It also has a shock-absorbing system, making your riding more comfortable. The T1 model is equipped with a removable battery for easy charging. It is also equipped with an anti-theft lock to protect the battery. You get 2 sets of battery keys included with your bike. This once again reminded me more of having a scooter rather than a bicycle. One key comes in the box, the other one comes attached to the battery. Of course, it is best to remove the attached key from the battery, so that if you ever leave your bike at a public space, no one can use the key to remove the battery from the bike and steal it. The bike also has a bright headlight, making your night riding safer. You can turn it on and off with the same button where you turn on the battery by one quick press to turn it on, and another quick press to turn it off. The bike also has a rear light, which is important for safety. The rear light can be turned on and off by pressing down on it. You also get a Shimano 7-speed transmission for different and challenging road conditions. Number 7 being the best for speed and harder riding, and lower being better for more challenging terrains and inclines. The max load capacity of this bike is 120 kilograms. One thing that also positively surprised me was the set of tools that you get with your e-bike, which allows a quick and easy setup. You don't need to have any tools at home to set this e-bike, as you get everything you need in the box, including a screwdriver and a set of hex keys and spanners. The big con of this bike for me is the lack of rear rack or front basket that would make it ideal for storing things and bringing them with me on my expeditions. I am hoping to actually try to find a solution for this and add something in the future, such as a front basket. Another con is that due to its relatively small wheels, it is not likely to perform well on mountainous or very challenging rocky terrains. But I know for that there are other e-bikes within the DYU range better designed for those conditions. Regardless, these are just some very small cons compared to all the amazing features and pros of this e-bike. I could not be more happy to have it in my collection, and it really made me fall back in love with cycling. If you are interested in this e-bike, I will leave links to it in the description, and in case you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.